Everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties, a YouTube channel. Today we bring to you yet another very beautiful property. These are row villas located off Sarjapur Road. It's about 3 kilometers from the main road, but once you come to the property, it's so nicely, it feels like you've come back, you've traveled about 20-30 years back. It's well within the nature, feels nice. That's how it is. These beautiful trees, and they've retained the trees within the compound. It's a 6.1 acre development for the villas. In total, it's a 26 acre development, out of which 6 acres they've allotted for 79 row villas, luxury row villas. As you could see, that's the elevation for the row villas. There are 3 and 4 BHK configurations available with them, and they start over from 2000 square feet of carpet area and go up till around just a little shade under 3000 square feet of carpet area. That's how the elevation looks from the front. Now we're going to show you the villa from inside. And now we're going to walk you into the 4-bedroom villa. That's the main entrance. And that's how the living area looks the moment you enter. Again, this is a split level design concept. Let me just run you through it quickly. There you could see that the door down there. Yes, that looks like a basement. That's where you park your cars, and then you enter from that door. To the right of that door is a maid's room, and then you take a few steps and you walk onto the living area. And this is the living area. The living area is connected to an outdoor sit-out garden area. This is how the living area looks from the courtyard, the sit-out which I just mentioned about. And it looks nicely done. And one level up, we find the kitchen and the dining area. Now, before we show you the dining and the kitchen area, we'll go one level down and show you the basement and the parking area and the maid's room. A level down and a few steps. So this is the parking area. You park your car here. You could easily park about 2 cars. This is an entrance from the parking, as you could see that. To the left is the maid's room with an attached toilet. That's the maid's room with an attached toilet. And to the left of the maid room is a nice little storage space, as you could see that. And then we take a few steps up and we come back to the living area. That's the living area. And now we take a few steps up to the dining and kitchen. And there's a bedroom here on this level. As we come onto this, that's the dining area. Decent sized dining table could be accommodated here with about 8 to 10 seatings, and that's the kitchen. The kitchen opens out to utility. I'll show you the kitchen from the other end. As we head out of the kitchen, to the left is the dining, as we just showed it to you, and there's one bedroom behind the dining to be used as a guest bedroom. This bedroom is attached with a toilet and a bath. That's the bedroom number 1. And this bedroom is attached with a toilet and a bath. As we head out of the bedroom, back on this level, and then we take a few steps Few steps on the landing. What they've done nicely here on the landing, as you could see, is that they've made a nice sit out with a glass window, a fixed window. From the landing, we take a few steps up to another level, and we are welcomed by another private seating area, living area. This area is of double height, as you could see, with the skylight opening at the top. Decent size. On this level, there are two rooms, one on the right and the other one on the left. We'll take you into the left bedroom first. That's the bedroom. It's got wooden flooring, laminate flooring, with a balcony attached. That's the balcony, and to the left is the wardrobe walk-in closet. And a common and attached toilet. And what they've done nicely here is, as you could see, they've done some plantations in the toilet washroom. And that gives it a lot of natural energy within the toilet. That's how the bedroom looks from the other end. The balcony, and we walk out of this room and we head straight into the third room. That's how the room looks like. And here what they've given is they've given an extended platform just besides the window. A nice area where you could sit and have your morning coffees and just stare out of the window, look at the trees. To the right of it is the wardrobe closet. That's the wardrobe closet. And to the left of the seating area is the attached washroom and the toilet. That's how the bedroom looks from the other end. We step out of the third bedroom, we take a few stairs, and at the topmost floor, as we come up, you could see the skylights openings, the one which we just showed you a little while back, and another one there. This ensures that a lot of natural light falls into the villa. Very nicely designed. And as we enter onto the top floor on the right is the media room, and on the left is the open terrace, which I'll show you in a little while. Let's check out the media room, the home theatre. That's the media room. Home theatre, you could even use it as an office space or even as a bedroom. You can customize it the way you want it to be, because you've got plenty of space there. Even they've ample space if you want, in case you want to use it as a room. This could be a walk-in wardrobe closet, and to the right is a attached wash and a bath. We head out from the media room and take you onto the terrace. Finally, we are to the best part. That's the terrace. You could even have a nice little bar counter here if you want. And in the evenings, you could come and just enjoy these trees. There's so many old trees here in this complex. They've retained the trees. There are more than 150 trees which are old world and have been there for decades and decades, I guess. Thank you everyone for watching our YouTube video. Hope you've liked it. Do let us know in the comment section below what do you think of our videos. And if you think you want to earn something beautiful like this within the nature, do contact us on the numbers given below. Keep liking and keep sharing. Thank you so much.